Hey, everybody! Have you ever wondered if half a century later, what our oceans would look like? Maybe something like sci-fi, or like a serene nature documentary. Well, there's not much time to think about it. Let's dive down and see our new friends. The Ayungjello, which stands for Independent Underwater Mechanic Jellyfish, is a fascinating and inventive species of luminescent jellyfish that has evolved as the newest ally to those who travel the oceans. The Ayungjello, with its lively and radiant personality, has established itself as the indispensable companion of fishermen beneath the waves, just as dogs have long been hailed as man's best friend on land. These captivating creatures are not just remarkable for their ethereal beauty. Every pattern on their gelatinous bodies serves a unique and functional purpose, making them vital contributors to marine activities. Each undulating glow and shimmering design helps them to integrate seamlessly into their watery world, making them more than just simple spectacles of nature. You might be lucky enough to see these dazzling marvels accompanying their fishing buddies close to the water surface if you ever sail the seas. In the vastness of the ocean, their sparkling presence acts as a beacon and a guide. Beyond their role as partners to seafarers, these jellos have also taken on the crucial task of environmental guardians. The objectives and goals of the creation of these beautiful jellos are the following. First is to combat overfishing, affordability and accessibility, ecosystem restoration, plastic pollution control, educational outreach, technological advancement, and information enhancement. Next is its beautiful features and functionality. Efficient natural design, camouflage and low intrusiveness, adaptability, biologically inspired motion, non-threatening presence, and flexibility and resilience. You may be wondering how we created this beautiful and magnificent creature. Well, a biomimetic or bio-inspired robot that functions like a jellyfish underwater, like our own Ayungjello, would mimic the appearance and behavior of a real jellyfish while being outfitted with cutting-edge technology to carry out certain duties. You might have catch a glimpse to cute and intricate designs of our jellos. What if I tell you there's more beneath its waves? Its specialized design includes the following: graphene umbrella, passive infrared sensor, biomechanical glass, light-responsive coating, integrated sonar radar system, advanced thrusters, onboard machine learning system, high-resolution camera modules, carbon nanotube filtration system, waterproof solar panels, nanodeck exterior layer, internal dual compartments, piezoelectric actuator modules, self-cleaning surface material, data transmission unit, energy storage, buoyancy control unit, environmental sensors. Next are the resources and equipments utilized to make our precious jellos come to life. Silicon or pliable polymers, infrared sensory systems, light adaptive coatings or commanding materials, carbon nanostructures, nanodex technology, piezoelectric substances, water-resistant electronic elements, metals resistant to corrosion, lithium-based battery system, water-impermeable photovoltaic panels, optical transmission lines, eco-friendly materials, anti-adhesive and debris-repelling surfaces, responsive fluid systems, high-end ceramic components, and shape-retentive alloys. Now you may think, what makes our little jello sustainable for the environment? Well, it consists of three main points. First, sustainable materials. Biodegradable components. Ideally, the Ayungjello would be constructed using biodegradable polymers or materials, ensuring that if any part is lost or discarded in the ocean, it doesn't contribute to long-term pollution. Next, recycled materials. Utilizing recycled plastics or metals in its production can reduce the carbon footprint and waste associated with sourcing new raw materials. For the second point, eco-friendly production. For the energy consumption, sustainable energy sources like solar or wind power can be employed in the production process to minimize carbon emissions. Next, waste minimization. Implementing a zero-waste approach in production where all byproducts are either reused or recycled. Next, longevity and durability. To be durable means fewer replacements and repairs, which reduces the frequency of production and associated environmental impacts. And the third point is its environmental advantages. First, low ecological impact. Its shellfish-inspired design ensures minimal disruption to marine life. It's less likely to be perceived as a threat by marine creatures, allowing for natural interactions. Next, data collection for conservation. By monitoring marine environments, the IM Jello can collect valuable data that can be used for conservation efforts, understanding the impacts of climate change, and more. Next, reduction in overfishing. By identifying and categorizing fish as endangered, invasive, illegal, or legal for capture, the IM Jello promotes sustainable fishing practices. This can help in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems and ensure the longevity of fish population. And lastly, pollution control. If designed to identify and possibly collect pollutants or debris, the IM Jello can play a role in cleaning oceans, helping combat the mounting problem of marine pollution. And that wraps up everything you need to know about our little friends. See you soon in the waves. Bye!